just gotta go. I don't know what it is.
You gutting it, huh? You say you gutting it, huh?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Trying to do some real shit. Y'all on reality TV show.
You on TV right now?
Oh, that's live?
Remember I used to say, one day I'm gonna be something about this. One day I'm gonna be something about this. One day I'm gonna be something about this. I remember I used to say.
Today's the day. We finna start our demo. We're here. I went and got some tools. You see in the back seat back there. Got my trash cans in the trunk. And got one dude here now. It's another one on his way. We probably got about an hour of sunlight left. You thought I was playing? We got a TV show. You on TV, G? You already on TV, dog. You was in the trailer too. I said, swear you done stuck Calvin in there? He said, yeah, I got Calvin in there. He worked on the house, didn't he? I said, oh my God. Say what's up to the camera, Calvin. They already know you. Camera, you know they stole all my tools. Look, I got you a mask, Calvin. You need a breathing mask? Hell no. Oh, man, so you don't give a damn about your lover.
Yeah, it's like on a TV show. This really, that's why I brought you. Oh shit, what's this? You didn't need that? This right here? What's this? You want the trim and all that?
Everything.
You just want front? Okay.
Yeah. If y'all need a mask, I got a couple in the car. Calvin, he don't need one.
Fuck with shit like this. You had it, Will. You know your brother do it. He just did it. You know what I'm saying?
Scoop this over. I'm gonna tear these kitchen cabinets on down. I caught it on the edge of the cabinet door. The cabinets one. Lando, 0. So I said I was gonna show y'all the good, the bad, and the ugly. Well, look what I did. Now that I got a little light with my ashy leg, I done tore my whole pants up. That you see there is my pocket, and I even got a little utility knife. But anyway, we ran out of light, and so we'll be back in the morning. Hopefully I ain't got no boogers in my nose. Feel like about 10 degrees. We got some snow heading to get Calvin. We're gonna get some work done. We got a couple more guys coming to help us out. But we're gonna get the entire house stripped down today and get it braced up and ready for the green board. If we might get to start the green board on some sides, maybe not, but either way it go, we're gonna get a lot done today. It's 9:30 in the morning, Central Time, and time to get to work. See y'all in a minute. I'm on my Samsung, so it tells me storage full, no more recording capacity. So I'm like, dang it. Well, I was in a dilemma. Stop, don't work for about 30 minutes to an hour, or don't get it on camera. So we did a little work, we didn't get it on camera. But now, let me show you what we got going. All of that ugly stuff is gone. It's a one piece. They left me one piece. I'll show y'all that one piece. That one and that one, which I don't think they were the same anyway, but whatever, I get it. Almost there. Leaving the roof up till we finish. I'm gonna go in the attic and push it down. They got all the insulation. Calvin in the bathroom playing around like he doing some work. Let me go set you up in the car so I can get back to work. Oh yeah. Progress. Calvin, there you go again. He on break again. I think Calvin been doing more breaking than working. You just wanted me to document you walking around so you can have video proof for SSI that you can't do no work, huh? We had walls at one point. We don't got them no more. I still got the roof to go. We almost there. That's the easy part. And then we're gonna burrito style it in the carpet. Insulation and all. That's the only parts of the house they insulated. Closet, bathroom, water heater. Stop for about an hour and a half. Maybe a little less, maybe a little more. Went and got some drinks. The roofs is coming down now. That's where all the insulation was at. Saved it for last. That's when you really need your mask. Right on time, look at that, boom. Hey, update. This is what we got done. We all clean. Couple spots we're gonna knock out up there. I'm gonna knock that down, Got all the nails out of there. All of that down, nails out. Prepping the windows for frames. Come on around back. Some of this gotta come down, but we gotta slap up a couple sheets. Man, that sun is bright. Let me see if it's glaring. A little bit, but you can kinda see. But really nothing changed back here. Gotta knock that out. A couple more pieces. And then
Told you that the game sucks, same must come see somebody, cause I told you that I'ma be somebody. Remember I used to say, this song right here, song for anybody, somebody. Told you you can't be nobody. Remember I used to say, Trayo.